When twilight falls, the air is still, a gentle breeze upon the hill. With every step, the world feels rare, as raindrops dance on my umbrella's glare. Whispers of magic, soft and low, in every drop a story flows. Walking through the droplets, a melody divine. Underneath the umbrella, our hearts intertwine. With every splash, our worries cease. In this Celtic evening, we find our peace. The cobblestone glimmers, laced with dream, reflect